Dear students, I am Dr. Sneha Sharma from SPNKS Government PG College Dausa. Today, I will be teaching you paper 505 Organic Synthesis 2nd. The paper is named as Disconnection Approach. This paper is entirely new for you. Today, we will be discussing what we have to learn in this disconnection approach. It involves an introduction to synthons and synthetic equivalents. Disconnection approach, then functional group interconversion, importance of order of events in organic synthesis, one group and two group CX disconnections, chemoselectivity, reversal of polarity, cyclization reaction, and amine synthesis. The terms and topics are entirely new for you. We will learn the terms involved in this disconnection approach first, importance of organic synthesis today. Now, let us discuss what is organic synthesis. Organic synthesis involves transformation of a reactant into product. It means it is the process of building organic molecules from simple precursors. What is the need of this organic synthesis? The synthesis of organic compounds are carried out for many reasons. It involves drug development, and we discover different molecules with structural attributes that enhance certain medicinal effects or reduce undesired side effects. Now, when we are synthesizing a compound, some hypothetical assumption is done, and this is done for tracing out what is the reaction mechanism or how a certain organism metabolizes a compound. It is generally stated that organic synthesis may involve one step to more than 20 steps. The synthesis involves two types of transformations: reactants that convert functional group from one to another and that create new carbon-carbon bond. This synthetic approach can be carried out in two different manners. First of all, let us discuss what is this disconnection. Disconnection is a retrosynthetic step involving the breaking of a bond to form two or more synthons. Now, what we have to learn in this disconnection? Actually, what happens earlier, we were carrying out reactions that involved formation of reactant to product. But now, what we will be doing? We will be planning in a revert manner, that is conversion of product into reactant. So, when we are converting a product into reactant, then how this product will change into the reactant? Two different approaches can be followed. One is the imaginary approach, the other is the real approach. The imaginary approach is called as disconnection approach. The real approach involves functional group interconversion. फंक्शनल ग्रुप इंटरकन्वर्जन का मतलब क्या है? प्रोडक्ट में बहुत सारे फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स होते हैं. इन फंक्शनल ग्रुप में हम क्या करते हैं? पहले इस फंक्शनल ग्रुप को हम पकड़ते हैं कि कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, फिर एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप को दूसरे फंक्शनल ग्रुप में चेंज करते हैं. अब जब हम इनको चेंज करते हैं तो कई इसमें आपके रिएक्शंस होंगे, जैसे सब्स्टिट्यूशन हुआ, एलिमिनेशन हुआ, एडिशन हुआ, रिडक्शन हुआ, इस तरीके से। तो ये है फंक्शनल ग्रुप इंटरकन्वर्जन। अब डिस्कनेक्शन अप्रोच में जब प्रोडक्ट रिएक्टेंट में चेंज होता है तो टूटेगा प्रोडक्ट। प्रोडक्ट कहाँ से टूटेगा, क्या गाइडलाइंस फॉलो होंगी, किस नियम के अनुसार टूटेगा, ये सारी गाइडलाइंस हमको इस पेपर के अंदर पढ़नी है। और जब प्रोडक्ट रिएक्टेंट के अंदर बनता है, ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है, तो वो कई पाथवेज से गुजरता है, छोटे छोटे पाथवेज से। ये जो पाथवेज होते हैं इनको हम कहते हैं आयनिक स्पीसीज। और ये आयनिक स्पीसीज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होंगी या नेगेटिवली चार्ज होंगी, शॉर्ट लिव्ड होंगी, और एक स्टेप से दूसरे स्टेप में, दूसरे से तीसरे स्टेप में, फिर तीसरे से चौथे स्टेप में, इस तरह से कई स्टेप्स को गुजरते हुए फाइनली हमको रिएक्टेंट मिलता है। तो ये जो आयनिक स्पीसीज होती हैं ये कहलाती हैं हमारी सिंथॉन्स। और इसमें हमारा एक टर्म बार बार आएगा, वो कहलाएगा टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल। टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल का मतलब होता है the product molecule is the target molecule. Here we are synthesizing reactant molecule. Again I am stressing that the target molecule is the product molecule. The target molecule is converted into first precursor. The first precursor is converted into second precursor, and the second precursor passes through several steps to give the resultant starting compound. Generally, an open arrow instead of the single arrow in this connection approach, we will be using a double-headed arrow. This is known as the retrosynthetic arrow or the open arrow, that a symbol that relates target molecule to its most immediate precursor. It signifies a retro or backward step. Now why it is retro or backward step? Because earlier we were following the transformation of reactant into product. Now we are following a backward approach, product to the reactant molecule. Different synthetic approaches are followed for synthesizing the reactant molecule. Now let us discuss certain definitions involved in this. First is disconnection. Disconnection is a retrosynthetic step involving the breaking of a bond to form two or more synthons. Next is retrosynthetic tree. It is directed or acyclic graph of several or all possible retrosynthesis of a single target. Synthon, as we have earlier discussed, is an idealized molecular fragment, generally charged species. Target the desired compound, transform the exact reverse of a synthetic reaction, formation of a starting material from a single product. Then functional group interconversion, the process of converting one functional group into another by substitution, addition, elimination, oxidation or reduction, and the reverse operation used in analysis.